welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. First, I want to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you so much. And you know what I promise all the time, that you won't be bored. You will be excited to learn new things. Sometimes it's healthy, sometimes it's not, sometimes it's plant-based, sometimes it's vegan. We have a variety of dishes that goes on right here in Fergie's Kitchen. Today is a healthy day. Today I'll be making some beets burger. And here are my ingredients for today. I'll be using white miso paste, red onion, mushrooms, garlic, my beets, black bean, mustard, coriander, cumin, and paprika. Those are my seasoning. With some oats, old-fashioned oats, walnut, and flaxseed. And also with some black rice that I already made. So I'm waiting for it to cool down a little bit, and then we'll get the ball rolling. So guys, I'm just about to start cutting up my stuff. What I forgot to tell you guys also, I have turmeric for my ingredients. So here is my garlic, 2 cloves of garlic, and we're gonna need 1 cup of mushroom. So I'm just gonna cut up my mushrooms. So here I have a 1/4 of a cup of water that I'm going to add my onions. So, and the reason why I use the water is because I don't want my vegetable to stuck to the bottom. So I'm just using the water to cook it for like 5 minutes, and then I add the rest of my vegetables. Okay, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. So here I'm getting my beets while the onions are sauteing. And you know, with the beets stains. So that's why I'm wearing my gloves. I don't want to ruin my hands in the kitchen, because as you know, the nail salons are all closed. Yes, they are. So I'm just going to, as soon as I finish here, I'm going to shred my beets. Now I'm going to shred my beets. I need a cup of beets. And this is about 1 1/4 inch of turmeric. So I just grated like a 1 1/4 inch piece of fresh turmeric. But if you don't have the fresh turmeric, you can use like a 1/4 teaspoon of powdered turmeric, okay? So with my 1/2 cup of minced onion, saute, I'm just gonna add my mushroom, 1 cup of mushroom, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of beets, my turmeric. Make sure the fire is on low. Add a 1/2 teaspoon of mustard brown, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of coriander, and a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. And guys, I'm gonna have this cook for 5 minutes. So guys, over here I have a 1/2 cup of oats and a 1/2 cup of walnuts that I already put in the food processor and ground it. But before I add this, over here is my black beans. I'm just Make sure all of the black beans are all squished. Now with my black beans, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of flax meal, 1 cup of my black rice, and I'm gonna add a tablespoon of white miso paste. Guys, remember, you did not see me use any salt in this recipe because the miso paste is salty, and there is salt that used to cook the rice. So we don't need any more salt, right? And this I'm going to mix together before adding my ground oats and ground walnuts. So now I'm adding my oats and walnut. To my beans before adding my vegetables. And now I'm adding my vegetables. This is my onion, garlic, my beets, all together, and mushrooms. And the consistency that you're looking for is, when you're finished, it should be able to hold together between your thumb and your middle finger. Okay, so now that it's all combined together, I'm gonna separate this into portion size, maybe like 6 portions, equal. And now with the oven preheated to 375, I'm gonna put my burgers in. And remember, because I'm using a small oven, the big oven, it would have been 30 minutes. But because this is so small and compact, I'm gonna leave it in for 20 minutes first and check, and then give it another 5 minutes. So please remember to like, comment, share to all your friends and family, everyone that you know, even stranger. And subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. I'll see you soon. And guys, beets. These beets burger today has tremendous health benefits. Beets helps to fight cancer, cancerous cells. It's rich in antioxidants. It actually detoxifies the body. It reduces cholesterol, and it may reduce the risk of heart disease, and it also boosts your stamina. But I have a little beet story for you. I remember going to the toilet after, I didn't even realize that I had beets, and when I looked in the toilet, it was super red. I freaked out. I called my sister and I said I have to go to the ER. She took me to the ER, and we're so stressed out. And when I get in and I saw the doctor said he didn't see anything. So he keeps asking me what I had to eat. And only be old, I had beets the night before. So I was pooping beets. It was all red. I freaked out. I'm not lying. But that's what it does. It detoxifies the body. So guys, have some beets, all right? And keep it beets in. So FK Gang, here is my finished product of my beets burger. And as you see, I'm having it with some wheat buns. And also, I had some carrot juice left over in the refrigerator. I just had some beets powder to it and some ginger. So here you're having your beans, your vegetable, your nuts, seeds, herbs, spices, and whole grain. And here I'm having some mustard with it. And you know how important beans are, ladies. Like soybeans. Consuming soybeans can help you to have less hot flashes during menopause. So guys, keep having your beans. I took a lot of soybeans in, and you know what it did to me? It actually messes my hormones, but it's good for menopause. It makes me grow more hair under my chin. But it's good. All beans. Consuming beans helps with cancer, whether it's ovarian, breast, you name it. So it's significantly. So there you have it, our beets burger with black beans in it. And I hope you enjoy it. And as you know, I also have my scripture of the day. My scripture today is coming from 2 Peter 1 verse 2. Grace and peace be yours in abundance. All right, guys? May grace and peace be yours in abundance. And my message from me to you guys is God's best is always worth the wait. Remember that. And if life throws lemons at you, just send it over to Fergie's Kitchen and I'll make you a lemon cake with it. All right? See you guys soon and enjoy. Until I see you again in Fergie's Kitchen. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching.